Hi guys, in the iPhone 16 we all know that we are missing the filters, the photos app filters or the camera filters like vivid, vivid cool, vivid warm, right? So how you can get them back, I'll show you in this video. This is my iPhone 16 and I was looking for some filters in my photos app and also as well in the cameras, but I can't find them, but I'll show you I got them now. And how you can get them, you can watch this video till end. So first of all, you guys can see here, whenever I'm just clicking a photo, you will see the styles option there. Let me show you how this works. So in the settings, in the camera section there, just hold on, let me set something else. And there you go. So in the camera option, whenever I'm taking the photos and when I jump to the filter section, it don't show me the filters. Instead, it show me the styles option there. I don't want styles, I don't like it because I don't know how to use them, right? That's not good. And I want the filters back how I can. To get the filters back, jump to iPhone settings option here. In the settings, find here camera under the Apple intelligent Siri. Click on camera option here and you will see this option formats. Click on this one and set it on most compatible. There you go. That's it. That's a simple fix you can done, right? Open the camera now whenever you're taking photos and whenever you want to edit them, and you will get your filters back. That's the whole simple fix. That's a simple way to do it, right? So you can get the vivid, vivid warm, vivid cool, everything, dramatic, dramatic warm, dramatic cool. Good thing that we got our filters back. That's the simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel, please.